Hi.
Dad, I know you like the color green. Look, I found a frog. But this one's not even dead.
No, it's okay. Wait, is that one okay? Oh yeah, it's okay.
I found a
It's a very rich green.
Look at this.
Mm-hmm. Very pretty.
Look, I found a frog.
Oh, now you're squishing him. Careful.
No, I'm not. I'm making a little space.
No, you don't push him. If here, I'll show you how to do it. Put him on my hands. There's others, don't worry. There, see? And now you just make sure that he's got a place to go. That way you're not squishing him. Because if you squish him, then they get stressed out, right?
I'm not squishing. I'm making.
I know, but you're making. Yeah, it's just. Wow, look, Wesley. So maybe they don't want to go in the water. I'm not sure.
That's what toads do. No.
Well, toads like being on land.
Toads swim in the water. Did you know?
Did you throw them in?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But they might be toads, so maybe they don't want to go in. Look at that, there's something orange in there. I wonder what those are. Somebody threw something in there. You see that? That's weird. Should we do what you and Mama did and go see if there's fishes on the end here? Okay, lie down. Wow. Oh, there's one. A little bit better. Oh, really?
I don't.
Oh, look at these lily pads. They're bigger now.